Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. And this is series SC366. SC366. Make sure you put this in the listing, okay? So sometimes you don't do that. Anyways, these are 8 cars, total of 8 cars, 2 of each of the assortment. I'm going to give you my pick of which are going to be the best seller, or what's going to be the best seller short term, and what's going to be the long term buyer, okay? What's going to be the sell up in the later years. Okay, so obviously the first 2 that are going to sell the best are the Nomads. And the first one is obviously this one because it has the white and the orange. So those are going to be the best sellers. All right. And then the next one are going to be the Ford GTs. And then coming in the Camaro and the Roadrunner. And that's not necessarily because Roadrunner is more popular. It's just those are really nice colors, liveries. Okay. Now, what is going to be the long-term best sellers? These. They always be. You know, I'm telling you right now. That's why I tell people just get them now, because you'll end up not getting these because you'll say, oh, nobody's going to want these. Well, you know what? I can tell you 4 different assortments that I've gotten. SC354, SC360, and SC355. And every one of them have cars in it that nobody wanted, and then when they're all gone, they end up, oh no, I missed out on the cars that I didn't want. And they end up wanting them for their collection. So these are going to be the cars in the long run are going to do the best. Okay, short run, yeah. The Bel Airs, the 55 Bel Airs, or the 55 Nomads. These are going to be, because everybody loves the Nomads. And the Ford GTs are going to do really well. And the Camaros. The Camaros are a long-term car. They're going to sell to everybody that might like a Camaro. Listen, everybody loves the Camaro. You know, I don't know of anybody that doesn't love the Chevy Camaro. It was probably one of the, and same thing with the Roadrunner. Same thing. I mean, there were so many great cars made in the 60s. Those days are gone. We don't have those days anymore. And now we make junk. Unfortunately. So these are all the cars available at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and we'll see you on the next video.